Special fixtures and tool holders improve machining and detection efficiency. Ergonomic specialized design for wheel repair optimizes operation paths. Customizable language options ensure seamless, user-friendly operation for all customers. One-click laser detection simplifies complex rig designs. Fully automatic CNC wheel surface machining makes repair effortless. Restores bright, like new finish, enhancing the competitiveness of your wheel repair business. If you want to know more product details, feel free to contact me now.